Okay, so welcome back. So a couple of things just to make you aware of is that, one, just like sequences, you don't have to start the index. So again, the index here goes from 1 to infinity, but the index doesn't have to start at 1. Okay, typically it's usually good, or it might be good to start at 1, but it doesn't have to start at 1. Okay, so for example, this same series can be represented as n equals 0 to infinity. And then we would just rewrite this as n, right? Or we can write the same series as n equals 5 to infinity, and we could rewrite the series like that. Okay, so now often it's convenient for the index to begin at 1. So here's another thing. If for some reason it begins at a different value, you can always re-index it by making a change in variables. Okay, so for example, if we take this, okay. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Wrong one. That's the right one. Okay, so let's say we have this sequence, 1 over n squared, but it starts from 2. It starts at 2 and goes to infinity. Okay, and let's say we want to start at the index at 1. So we can introduce a new variable, okay? And so what we could do is we can rewrite this. If we want the index to start at 1, we can rewrite this by introducing a new variable. So let's say we want m to equal 1 to infinity, okay? So now we want this m to equal 1. So how do we have to change this to this? Well, in order to change m equal 2 to m equal to 1, well, what would m have to equal? Well, m would have to equal n minus 1. Right? Because I would have to subtract 1 from both sides here. Right? So if I subtract 1 from both sides, I want this to start at 1, so I would have n minus 1 equals 1. Well, then I'm just going to have m equal n minus 1. Now, how does that affect this? Well, I'm going to have 1 over, instead of n, well, what is n equal to? N is equal to m minus 1. And so that's now my new series. Oops. Well, it doesn't matter. Should be on the numerator. Yeah, actually. Let's write it this way. Same thing, but like that. Okay, so again, just want to let you know that in a lot of circumstances we may want to re-index things, and that's going to require a change of variable, and it's going to also help us to possibly look at these a little bit better and help us solve these or evaluate them. Have a great day.